Hello, today's Sunday, August 25th, 2025. I'm Jason Shapiro with Crowded Market Report. Today, I was going to spend a bunch of time speaking about how the COT data can actually help to trade individual stocks in a lot of ways. It's not just a question of, hey, trading futures or trading them this way or that way. I'm going to show that. Before I got into that, real quick, I just wanted to say our friends at Gelber, which is a firm that I worked for quite a number of years ago, but it's a very legitimate firm. And I get a lot of questions from people. Hey, how can I get into trading as a professional? And what are the firms that are good? And who can I talk to? Well, Gelber is one of them. And I know there's a lot of scam prop firms out there. I don't know, but I hear. But I can say that Gelber legit. Anyway, the point is they've run these trading contests, which they did last year. And we actually had one of our members of CMR get into the trading contest and didn't win it, but did well, in particular on a risk-return basis, and was offered a job at Gelber. And he went from being an engineer in a job that didn't really well to a prop trader, full-time prop trader, getting paid a salary, getting paid a bonus based on his profits and all that. And he's loving it. And so I just wanted to let people know that Gelber is doing that trading contest again, this year. It's for, unfortunately, it's called the Breakout by Gelber Group. I think there's cash prizes. It's for US based traders only. And what happens if you do well and all that, is up to you. But like I said, I can confirm that we did have one member that became an employee, last year from this trading contest. So you can check out the link to that in the description, which I provided. Hope that helps people. All right, on to the other stuff. So just recently, we had quite a move down, in a lot of the, favored NASDAQ stocks. Some dropped 20, 30, even 40% just in the last few weeks. And, those are the momentum plays. And people that have been long in them have been doing well. And the question is, well, when do you get out, and all that? Well, I just want to show you that. The COT a couple weeks ago started to indicate that speculators were getting very long. So you start thinking, maybe I should start reducing, right? If everybody's getting long, I don't want to be doing what everybody's doing. I'm going to start reducing. And on the other hand, we saw the speculators in the Russell were getting very short. So as we played it, as futures traders, you can either get long Russell or be long Russell, short NASDAQ as a spread or something like that. But on an individual stock basis, you could be saying, maybe I need to reduce or get out of these NASDAQ momentum plays and get into the Russell momentum plays. And had you done that, clearly that would have been good. But even if you didn't do the Russell momentum plays, you'd be like, I need to reduce in these NASDAQ momentum plays because the market's getting too long there and it's getting too bullish and therefore the risk reward is not that great anymore. That certainly would have helped too. You could have shorted NASDAQ against these positions. It wouldn't have helped very much because these individual stocks went down a lot more clearly than the futures did. But again, I'm looking at it saying, NASDAQ, people are too long. There's a chance it could go down here. There's a chance certainly the risk reward has changed here. So therefore my positioning should change as well if I have exposure to NASDAQ and NASDAQ stocks. That really would have been the conclusion. And, as I talked about on my reports and videos for the last few weeks, and that could have helped you get out of some of these high flying names in the NASDAQ. And saved quite a bit of drawdown. So it's just another way to approach using the COT. And while we're on the subject, what would this say? A lot of people are saying, oh, well, in retrospect, you're saying this in retrospect. First of all, I'm not saying it in retrospect because I've been talking about this for weeks, because this positioning has been like this for a few weeks, right? But if you look at the narrative, the macro narrative, okay, what was going to get the Russell to go up a lot? And the answer was rate cuts. The Russell is the most sensitive to rate cuts, is the argument. And therefore, if the market starts to believe more in rate cuts, then that should benefit the Russell. That's kind of the narrative. What we saw last week, in the first part of the week, was the chances of rate cuts were going down. People were getting nervous, especially in front of Powell's speech. And the markets were going down because of it. But you know what? The Russell went down less than the NASDAQ did during that period. Which, if the Russell is so sensitive to the rate thing, then why was it going down less during that? And it even on Thursday, while all the other indices closed down, the Russell actually closed up right before the Powell speech. That was now determined to be not as dovish as people would like. That's a sign. And then, of course, it did come out dovish, more dovish than people really thought. And the market ripped higher, and the Russell ripped a lot more than the rest. I think it was 2.5% better than the NASDAQ on Friday, which I will again point to the positioning. So anyway, different ways to think about how to use the COT. Hopefully helpful. Hope it helps you. And I hope you are doing well and having a good week and all that. And we will talk again next week. And don't forget to check out that Gelber thing if you're interested, either in trying to pursue, this as a profession, or even if you're just trying to see how you do against other traders and all that, check it out. All right. And let us know how the experience is. All right. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, I just wanted to say, if you like daily videos, we do them 4 days a week, Monday through Thursday for people, and it costs, $10 a month. And I try to include a lot of other lessons as I go through, as you see in the daily videos as well. For that $10 a month, you also get our COT charts on equity indices and crypto. So if you think that's worth it, give it a shot. All right. And we hope to see you there. Thanks.